Hello, everybody. We had a meltdown. You saw it, but we found a solution. So, we're gonna show you the protein treatment that we did. Now, let's go. First, we're gonna start with wetting our hair with some water, aloe juice, and see how it's moistened our hair, give us some shrinkage. And now we're gonna use this scalp cleanse. There's a link in our bio which has all the ingredients. This is great for like detoxing and cleansing the scalp and getting rid of all that dandruff. And I love doing this when I have a wash day, because you know, healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth.
I love the tingles on my scalp as well.
Look at the
hurry up, man. Give it here.
My scalp is getting. Now we're gonna just massage that in nicely and let it sit for about 15 minutes.
Cement time.
And then we are having this mask done. We've done a video before, so if you want to watch more in detail how we do this, you can check that out. We will put that in our bio. This is great for detoxing your hair when you've got product buildup and all that kind of stuff.
And making it thicker.
Yeah, it just literally gives your hair a deep cleanse. This stuff gets dry really quick, so we keep it wet and then we put some plastic bags over them so that
my favorite part.
Oh God, here you go. What's wrong with you? You make me sick.
Don't be gel.
Gel of what?
Just have some fun.
Yeah.
F is for friends who do stuff together.
That's enough.
Okay,
That's
okay,
enough.
all right.
Focus. So we put this on our heads. Alma's head is clearly bigger than mine, so she takes a lot longer. So sorry, guys. Wake me up before my throat goes to leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Take me natural tonight. I wanna hear that. All right. This family will do exactly as I say. When exactly when I say it. Punish for being smart. Shut up, Diddlehead. Hey, Dip Face. Have a marshmallow. Have another marshmallow. Dip Face. Dip Face. Now we've let this sit for about 35 minutes, and it's time to wash it out. We've washed it out. Our hair looks nice and snatched.
It's bouncy too.
And then here is the protein mask we did. So we started with a banana mashed up, which is great for like shine. It has a lot of potassium. We've got some coconut milk from a can. Coconut milk is full of like great healthy fats. Some mayonnaise, and then we got apple cider vinegar, olive oil, avocado seeds. I drink this as a tea, and then some flax seeds as well, which is full of like proteins and magnesium. And we mixed this all up. I'll be honest, I just looked in the cupboard for like what we have that has a lot of like nutrients and used it on our hair. And we put this on and left it for about an hour in our hair. Impossible for a plain country pumpkin and a prince to join in marriage. Impossible for my hair to receive the protein from this hair mask, and 4 white mice will turn into 4 seahorses. So prowl around and fill Lydia of courses. Impossible. Look how delicious and proteiny our hair looks. It just feels amazing. Only annoying thing is that we got a lot of bits stuck in our hair from the seeds, which is annoying. So we just let our hair, we braided it. There's a video we have about that showing you how we do our braid outs. We have done no trim yet, so you are going to see a few like bubbles at the end of our hair.
Well, very nice.
And yeah, we're just going to take our hair out, and we shook the seeds out because they're really hard to get out when wet. And like we could instantly see a huge difference with our hair. This is just almond oil and castor oil that I put on my scalp and my ends to make it easier to take the hair out. But our hair is just so much stronger, bouncier, There's a lot of shrinkage still, so we didn't get to stretch it out properly, but we just wanted to show you how much healthier our hair looks. It's been so long since we've seen it like that.
We've been washing our hair recently, and usually the next day our hair is very dry, but the next day here on this video it's been very moisturized.
Nice and bouncy, and now
in shape.
We just need to give it a trim and stretch it out. But we feel a lot closer to normality. So thank you guys for your advice.
Yes,
help.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
This fool wasn't helpful at all. But
wow.
We will see you in another video.
Thank you.
Do you remember? Oh my God. We had it up. We stick tongue. We'd stay on the phone night and day. It's always this song. You can never get an audition. I feel attacked. Banana.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Follow us.